friends, how are you? Today we are going to read the book How the Birds Got Their Color. This is an aboriginal story told by Mary Albert and compiled by Pamela Lofts. So let's get started. How the birds got the color. This is the story of how the bird got the colors. Long, long ago, in a dream time, when the birds and animals were being made, all the birds were black, all one color, till one day a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big juicy grub. But instant he landed right on a sharp stick. It pierced his little foot and made him very sick. For days he lay on the ground in a pain. His foot swelled up. He was dying. All his mates gathered around to see how they could help, all except Crow. He just wandered around with his hands behind his back. Suddenly, the parrot rushed forward with a sharp beak. The little dove's swollen foot color splashed out all over the parrot. Red and green and blue ran down her chest, wings, and tail. It splashed out all over the other bird. Some got red, some brown, some blue, some yellow. Some get spots, some get stripes. All get color. All except Crow, who's standing away from others. Crow got no colors at all. So that's how all the birds got their colors. And as for the dove, he soon got better, thanks the parrot, and was able to fly away. That's the way how the birds got the colors. Thanks for listening.
If you liked my channel and its content, please give it a like. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe my channel Art Fun Solution by Seema Tomar to give it a good support. Press the notification button for the future video. Till then, goodbye.